Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. First up, we'll need some couscous, and I love these pre-packaged, pre-seasoned boxes from the grocery store. They bring lots of flavor to the table in less than 5 minutes. We'll also need some Thai-style sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise for me, which has got to be Duke's, some Sriracha chili sauce, and of course, some salmon fillets. And of course, Bang Bang is just a style of sauce that was popularized, I believe, by Bonefish Grill, and now you can put it on just about everything, and it's delightful. So we'll go in with half a cup of mayonnaise, quarter cup of that Thai-style sweet chili sauce, Sriracha to taste. I like to add plenty of spice to my food, so I went with about a tablespoon, but you could certainly do less. We'll season our sauce with a little bit of cracked pepper and some pinch of salt, and I like to add a little splash of vinegar from the pantry just for a little bit of acidity to cut through all the richness of that mayonnaise. Once your sauce is thoroughly combined, what you want to do is go ahead and separate out about half of it to use as a garnish and dip for the final product, and then we can use the rest to go ahead and brush on our salmon fillets. So we've got a aluminum foil lined and olive oil sprayed baking sheet here, which we're just going to generously brush that salmon with the Bang Bang sauce, season with salt and pepper, and then you can air fry these or bake them. It's going to take 6 to 10 minutes depending on your desired level of doneness and how thick they are. If you're using an oven, you may want to turn the broiler on at the very end, but nevertheless, as the salmon cooks, go ahead and boil some water, cook your couscous, basically just drop it in, stir it, lid it up, and give it 5 minutes to fluff. And look at that. I definitely use my broiler, and I love the color that I got on the top of those fillets. They look absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to lay down a generous bed of that pre-seasoned couscous, top it with a salmon fillet, and of course you definitely need to use a little extra of that Bang Bang sauce, as it is so rich and spicy and sweet and a little bit of tang from the vinegar. It's just a really great seasoning, especially for fish and seafood. Look at that beautifully medium cooked salmon. I think it might hit about 135 to 140 in the oven. It's absolutely succulent, and this sauce is, I mean, hold on, actually, we're gonna need some more. Yeah, give me a second here. It's smoky and spicy from the Sriracha, sweet from the chili sauce, creamy from the mayonnaise, and just one of the all-time great condiments. Definitely make this and give it a try. I know you're gonna love it, whether you put it on chicken or shrimp or pork. It's an absolute delight. Comes together in like 15-20 minutes, so give this dish a try. I know you're going to love it. As always, thanks so much for watching, and now it's your turn to go make something delicious.